Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Moa's Adventures. Today, as you can see right in front of us, we have a Kindle, it looks like a book, yeah, but then it's not a book. Because today we're going to see the kids edition of the real Kindle that you have to buy. So this is for ages 7+. And it's from Amazon. And for those of you who don't know what is Kindle, Kindle is you can buy it as an app on your iPad or tablet or whatever device you want. But then when you buy it, it's going to be, I prefer buying it. But for kids, you should buy the kids edition. I have the parents edition too. It looks much tiny, but we will see if this is the same. Oh, it's right here. This is the parents edition one, and we have the kids edition one, but we haven't opened it yet because I wanted to do it with you guys. So now let's just start and see what this is. So we're first gonna take this box out and take the plastic off. We're gonna rip this off, yeah. Wow. Oh my God, this is awesome. This already looks awesome. Okay, now let's actually take it out and and take this plastic piece out. So let's just slide this off. Oh, look. It says Kindle right here. Okay. So let's open this. Let's just unwrap this off. Whoa! Look at that! This is awesome. They've even given us a cover. Like mobiles, they have this cover you put, and then there's this card thing here. But then this one is just awesome. This, I can't even describe this. It looks just, it's so cool. Okay, so just one more look. This is the Kindle tablet type. You buy it for and it's for £100. It's quite nice. I recommend this. It's very nice for your children and for you too. That's why my parents are sharing one too. That's why we love it so much. So yeah, we're gonna this is the Kindle. So yeah, bye-bye.